Hey Ag Teachers, this short video covers the basic setup of the desktop wiring station that pinned from Pinterest. This one came from Trent Wells in Alabama, and it is great for Ag Teachers that don't have a shop or have a shop but just don't have the kids that are ready to get in there yet. So what you can do is, this is based off of an 4x8 sheet of plywood. What Trent did was cut it. If you look at the photo, best I can tell, he has each station cut on about 18 inches long and then 48 inches wide, the standard width of the plywood. So he got about 5 stations out of that with 6 inches left, which kerf, you'll probably have less than 6 inches left. So an 4 foot by 8 foot sheet of plywood and 4 8-foot studs, he was able to make 5 stations out of it, and each station has 3 bays. So conceivably, you could put 3 students per station, 15 kids on a 4x8 sheet of plywood and 4 8-foot studs. If you have to extend that out, you can do 2 of those, which means you'll cover 30 kids on 2 sheets of plywood and 8 8-foot long studs. So real basic. You don't have to jump into the shop, go over all the safety stuff, get everybody ready to be out in the shop, and hopefully they don't tear anything up. If it's just a bunch of kids that you're, agri-science, you just want to do a little intro, you want to cover a few little things to give them a taste if they want to do ag mechanics next year or next semester, whenever you do it again. You can do that. You can set these up in the classroom, get your classroom arranged. You can see on the photo, he has a notebook for each one of the stations with the wiring diagrams in it. Give them the instructions to be able to do it. You don't have to go hard and heavy into electrical wiring for these kids to get a lot out of it. Plus, you're in the classroom, they're a little more contained, you can walk around a little better. Hopefully the principal comes in to evaluate you while you're doing this and you look like a genius. So everything works well. The setup and takedown work great. They don't take up nearly as much space as those ag mechanics electrical wiring walls that I see a lot of teachers do when they get hard and heavy into electrical wiring and want to be able to put up circuit panels and do serious wiring. You don't have to go into all that if you don't want to. So it works out well for small shop or no shop setup where you just want to cover a little ground. So good luck. Try this with your class, and I think you'll find a lot of good results out of it. My name is Brian Tomlinson with One Less Thing. You'll have a great day.